Hi, it's Thomas, massage therapist at Advanced Spine Joint Wellness. I'm going to talk to you today about scapular bursitis, also known as snapping scapula. This is a condition that is very common with overworked shoulders, so repetitive motions, overhead lifting, a lot of warehouse jobs and physical labor jobs such as carpentry, plumbing. All these will have an impact on your shoulders. If you're overusing them and you're having a lot of pain in and around the shoulder blade, you might be suffering from this condition. And I'm going to talk to you today about how massage can help with scapular bursitis. So the bursa is a space that allows for the joint to move properly over top of one another in the shoulder. And there's a lot of interchanging muscles that go over top of it. So when that bursa sac gets inflamed, these muscles are going to cause pain and inflammation as well. And we're going to work on releasing the inflammation on those muscles to allow for proper shoulder movement. So some of the muscles involved are the rhomboids back here. If it's more of a posterior bursa, that's involved. And then there's also the rotator cuff muscles that are most common. So these are the ones that are responsible for any kind of shoulder rotation or mobility. If you find yourself doing a lot of wrenching motions, that's very common with this condition if it's very difficult. And it can also cause audible popping or cracking. And that's where our chiropractors come into play to help that joint move a little bit better. At first, these massages can be very intense, especially on these muscles. They're very small, and when they're inflamed like this, they're very sensitive to the touch. But as we continue through each session, you'll notice more and more relief and comfort during the massage, as well as afterward. So some of the positioning work we do will be manipulating that shoulder joint, putting the arm into end feel, working in the muscles behind it, just like that. So if you feel like you're suffering from any condition that feels like scapular bursitis, or you think you might be struggling with this issue, come get checked out. We can properly diagnose you and begin treatment immediately, and ask for Thomas.